Alright guys, so I wake up late today, no fishing for me today, but my tackle bag here was all, I used it all up last weekend. Like I got a bunch of snack, so I only have one, two, three, this three I just tied this morning, four, so I only have four rig left. And have two extra on the zip lock. I already got it used up, so I got stocked up. Basically what I'm doing is about a feet and a half tie here. I have a bead here, a hook, and a floater. I think I need to get an inline floater, order online, because I don't see anything sold locally, so this is the only cheapest one I can get locally. So just gonna put it on like this, and I use a 60 pound Suffix monofilament for my leader, and this is gonna be for my sinker, and then this going to my main line. And this is about a feet and a half long. So I'm gonna stock up all this pouch with a rig for my next fishing trip. Let me know where I can order those floater, because this is the only one I found at Walmart at a decent price. So I'm gonna make some more here, and I saved these Y plug. Gonna drill through the plug with a little bit. So this is the smallest drill bit I can find. Can drill through half the middle. Okay. This way I can run my line through. Perfectly, and I'm gonna throw a bead onto it as well. And I use a big Cahill hook on this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the bottom line to circle around my hook. 5 times. 5, 6 times. Now I just gonna hold this end here and then pull this back a little bit. Okay, so now just pull between this 2 wire, and to make it easier, use a plier and put one end and pull on the other end. Using your hand, just slide the knob down. Now we can cut this extra length. Okay, and I have some toothpick here, so I'm gonna cut this in half. With this, probably do like this much away from the hook, about 4 or 5 inch, and then I'm gonna stick this toothpick into the line, one on the bottom and one on the top. So it stay tight in place like that. And then I'm gonna give it about more than a feet, like maybe 1.5 feet long. I'm gonna do a simple tie here for my sinker weight. And then I'm gonna do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna loop the other tie through. And then just pull this. So when I go fishing, to put in the 4-ounce sinker, I just, push this through the sinker, then loop it around the 4-ounce like that. And then I'm gonna tie another small loop right here to go onto my leader. So do a 2 loop here, single loop. That's pretty much it. I'll cut this off. Okay, so this gonna go to my main line right here, and the weight, the hook, and the floater. Hopefully I can get more of these. Hopefully they float well. So I was saving a bunch of these bits right here that suck out the moisture. So I'm gonna put in the hook pouch. So any that I use and put back that is wet is gonna remove the moisture for me. with the cork I just made. Alright, I have one, two more that I need to make, two extra in the plastic here, Ziploc I'm gonna make. So far I made a bunch with 60-pound liter, so I'm gonna do 4 more with the 30-pound monofilament for my rig. Okay, we're gonna start off with the floater. And then a bead. Maybe I loop over this bead right here. And then I'll use a small circle hook. This is a size 4 circle hook, but it looked like a size 5 to me when I ordered online through Temu. Seemed to a little bit small, but it's the hook is offset, not straight like the one in the store. So I'm gonna hook it through once, then loop it around one more time. And then I'm gonna hold this one end, and then I'm gonna use the top here where you pull. If you pull this, you see this one gets shorter. So you're gonna use this top here to wrap around the hook about 5-6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do 7. Okay. Okay, 7. Now I just hold this end right here, and then pull the back. What you want to do first is hold right here and then pull this top part first. Let's pull the top part. Once the top part is tight, you then pull the bottom and hold the two and just pull it down, and then use your hand to push this down, and keep pulling, push this down some more. Okay, so I'm gonna use my plier to help pull it harder. Okay, now I can cut this off. Okay. Cut this pick. And I'll stick this on one side and the other side. And it stay pretty tight. So about 4 or 5 inches away from the hook. Now I give it about 1.5 feet length, and I'll do the tie for the sinker weight, just 2-3 loop. With a smaller wire, I'll do 3 loop, and then do basically the T knot, and loop this through. I might go fishing this afternoon. I haven't fished for the whole week. And then I'll tie this simple knot to the main leader. I don't have the swivel, so I'm just gonna do the tie like this. And on my main leader, I have this clip on my main leader, on the big main leader like this. So on my main leader, main line, I have this swivel hook here where I can hook it up into my rig quickly. That should be pretty much it for my rig here. So I'll do 3 more of these. Get some coffee now. As for the bell, when you're fishing, this is the bell that you get from Walmart. But the thing is, I don't like this, how it gets rust over time, so it doesn't last that long. My favorite so far is this style right here. If you can get the bell for your fishing rod, this is the best one I see so far. It doesn't rust. Just clip on pretty easy, pretty wide, versus this one, it's not that wide when you clip on. You see how wide this is, the green one. But this one, the tip of your rod have to be equal to the mouth where it open here. So I don't really like this style, but this one works pretty good, so I gotta order more of these. I only have 1 left. Alright guys, we'll see you guys out in the water.